Hi friend, once again welcome to Turnaround Academy, and today's topic is News Bulletin. What? Are you confused? No, you listen perfectly. News Bulletin. Yes, I am saying News Bulletin. Yes, you are correct. Turnaround Academy channel is going to release daily news, and this daily news mainly we are focusing for various vacancies are available in that week, and when the interview will be there, and which agency this vacancy has been published, and is it interview in the telephonics or working interviews, or maybe CV selections, various whatever the requirement will be there, accordingly this bulletin will come to you. So idea behind this, based on my experience and whatever I have discussed with my colleagues and friends and various people, those who work with me, they have requested me, sir, I am staying in village and I am not getting the newspaper like a assessment abroad times. It is coming very late, sometime coming, sometime not coming, so I am not able to get the information in right time, so I couldn't able to come to offices to submit the passports or conduct the attend the interview. Various issues are there. Okay, so based on that idea, I thought, okay, let us start the news bulletin in our Turnaround Academy program channel, and here every day 9 o'clock news bulletin will come, and you will receive mainly the various vacancies where it is published, and when the interview will be there, mode of selection, either it is CV selection or it is shortlisting is going on, or working interview, or you can go. Only the request what I am going to tell you, initially as you know, this channel is completely free. So this vacancies what is going to release in the Turnaround Academy channel, it will be from the open source. So means once you are applying for that company particularly, you need to validate yourself that what is the salary and all these things, anything, what are the terms conditions of that. We are not here to to working as a on behalf of some agencies or something like this. No, this is purely open source based informations available. From there we are providing that informations to our subscriber, those who subscribe this channel, and those who are specially out of cities they are staying, those having the limitations of this getting the newspaper like assessment abroad times, NRI times, or various newspapers, these details. So my team, what they will do, all the open source informations are available, so they will summarize it, and then in the evening 9 o'clock every day, 9 o'clock evening, you will receive this news. So you can watch that. I hope everybody will come back if you are working somewhere. So by 9 o'clock you will be there, and if you finish your foods and all these things before going to the bed, just watch 5 minutes this news, so that you will be able to get the informations what are the vacancies are available. So maybe it will suit for you. You can apply for this, and especially those who are out of the cities, those who are having limitation for these newspapers and other informations, this news bulletin will help for them. So thank you very much. This is the informations. So don't surprise, many things are there, and I request you to subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to click the bell icon, so that once the new video will be uploaded, you will receive the notifications. And as you know, this channel is free, and this is the initiative for the knowledge sharing, to provide the information those who are working in oil and gas industry. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and if you need some more information or anything, don't forget to write to my to details in your comment box. So if you need some more information or any comments are there, you can write into the comment box. Also you can send me email info@ta-academy.com. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. Turnaround Academy, new initiative, news bulletin. Okay, thank you.